Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to make this beautiful crochet hat. I made this for my adult, so his head was like small head. Today I'm gonna make it for a toddler who is like 3.5 years old. So and I'm gonna show you like the measurements where you can adjust your hat to fit any size you want, like toddler, infant, babies, children, an adult where it's like small size, large size. So it's very simple. It's just basically double crochet, and then here too we're doing double crochet front and back loop. Front double crochet and back double crochet, and we're ending it with a single crochet row. Okay, so all you're gonna need is your yarn, and here I'm using the yarn bee, the Tender Touch. Using two different colors. You can choose whatever you like. You can do it one color. Let's see, you're gonna need your measurements. That's how you can adjust the right size for your hat. You're gonna need a scissor, a needle to just sew the ends, and then your crochet hook. So here I'm using 6.5 as it's recommended in this yarn right here. It says use a crochet hook size 6.5. Okay, all right, so get your yarn. We're gonna start off with a magic ring, increase 2 chains. This is 1, 2, and then we're gonna insert here and do 10 double crochets. Okay, so this is 1, 2, a little bit, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here I have 10 double crochets. Okay, we're gonna pull this yarn to close the magic ring, just like that, and we're gonna do a slip stitch in the first double crochet. Okay, now what we do, what I like to do actually to pull this yarn up, so I will hide it as I go. We're gonna chain 2. So at the beginning of each round we chain 2. This round is gonna be all about increasing double crochet. So I'm gonna keep this one right here, and we're gonna increase. So this is 1, and this is 2. So this is an increase here. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna do 2 double crochet. That's an increase. At the end of this row you should have 20 double crochets. Alright, so here we're closing it with a slip stitch to the first double crochet that we made. Okay, now we're gonna do another row of increase. So we're gonna do 2 chains, and then the first one we're just gonna do double crochet, and then in the second stitch we're gonna do an increase. So 2 double crochets. So here we're gonna do 1. The next stitch we're gonna do an increase, and we're gonna repeat this until the end. Alright, so here I'm gonna end this round with a slip stitch, and I have 30 double crochet. So we're gonna chain 2, okay, and then do a double crochet in the first one, do a double crochet in the second one, and now we're gonna do an increase. So 2 double crochet. So for this round it's gonna be 2 double crochet and then 1 increase, 2 double crochet, 1 increase. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more with you. This is 1 double crochet, this is the second double crochet, and here we're gonna do an increase. So repeat until the end of this round. All right, so here we're gonna end this round with a slip stitch to the first double crochet, and I have 40 double crochet at the end of this round. Okay, so the next round is gonna be an increase too. So at this time we're gonna do 3 double crochet and then an increase, 3 double crochet and then an increase. So we're gonna have our first double crochet here, and then here second double crochet, here the third one, and then in this one we're gonna do an increase. Okay, we're gonna repeat this, 1 double crochet, 2, 3, and then an increase. All right, repeat it until the all right, we're gonna end this round with a slip stitch. All right, and we're going to do no more increase. So for the 3.5 years old baby, the circumference should be between 5 like 5 and 5.5 inches. So here I have it almost 5.5. So we are going to do the next rows just double crochet. Okay, all right, so here we're gonna chain 2, 1, 2, and this round, as we said, is gonna be double crochet. So we're gonna be doing like double crochet the same for the next couple of rows. For the toddler, the 3.5 years old, I'm going to do, this is like the measurements, so it's gonna be 6.5 inches to 6 and 75 inches. So normally each round is 1/2 inch. So I'm going to leave 1.5 inches where I am going to do the front and the back double crochet. So I'm gonna do 3 rounds of the front and the double crochet, the back of the double crochet. So here I'm going to do double crochet rounds until I have 5 inches height. So we're gonna measure it like that. When you fold it, you start from the top until the bottom. So I'm going to be doing double crochet until here. Okay, all right, so here I have 5 inches. Okay, and what I did, let me see how many rounds. I think I did 3. So this is the last increase. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 4 rounds. Okay, now I'm going to switch to this yarn. So once I did the slip stitch, I'm going to cut my yarn, and pull through. Okay, now I'm going to switch yarns. I always do a knot and then I insert my hook here, pull through and pull through again, and pull this to the side. Okay, now here we're gonna do 2 chains. Try to keep this yarn with you so that way we clean. And here what we are going to do, we're going to work a front double crochet. Front double crochet, that means we're not gonna go on this in the top, we're gonna go behind it and pull through. So this is front. When you see this, like this is front. We're gonna pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And now we do back double crochet. So the back, we do this and then your yarn goes from the back. Okay, so you see here, you don't see the stitch, it's from the back. That's why we call it back double crochet. So we pull through 2, and then we pull through 2, and again yarn over. Now we're going to do a front double crochet, so we go from the front here and then we pull through 2 and then we pull through 2, and now we're doing back double crochet. So yarn over, you insert your hook from the back. Okay, you pull through. We have 3, and we're gonna repeat this process. Front and back, front double crochet, and back double crochet. So repeat this until the end of this round. Okay, so here I have the last stitch and I am going to do a back double crochet here. Okay, and now we're gonna insert our hook in the first stitch and we're going to chain 2, and now we're going to do a yarn over. In the same front double crochet, we're going to work a front double crochet, and then in the back double crochet we're going to work a back double crochet. So this is front and now back. This is front and back double crochet, front double crochet, and this is how it looks. You're gonna end this round and do another round. If you're doing a toddler size, I'm going only to do 3 rounds of the front and the back double crochet. So this is the second. I'm going to do the third one and then I will come back to you guys. Alright, so here I'm ending the third round of front and back double crochet with the slip stitch, and let me show you my measurements for now. So here I have 6 and it's not on the camera. So here I have around 6'10", I guess, or 6'25" inches. So the next round is going to be double crochet, single crochet. So for single crochet, I'm going to chain 1 in the same stitch here, insert my hook and do a single crochet, and then here a regular single crochet, the other one single crochet. So here we didn't increase or decrease, so we still have 50 stitches, and so we're going to make 50 single crochet. Okay, so do a single crochet until the end. We're gonna end the round with a slip stitch. Alright, so here I'm ending this round with a slip stitch in the first single crochet. And then I'm going to clean my yarn. And this one. Alright, so here I have 6.5 inches for this hat. So that's it. Here's the hat. And this is the adult hat that I made. It was all one color, so I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channels. If you made your hat, please tag me if you have an Instagram, or you can send me a picture through my email. All right, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.